Here we are. Virac. Ang laki naman kasi. Picture ka naman, di ba? Hi. Yeah. Madam ka dyan. Madam Damin. Guys, ang nice nitong resort as in Sunset Coast Beach Resort. Yung mga rooms malilinis, spacious naman siya, but affordable. Ang nice ng mga staff and ang amenities, ang good. And the beach, look at that. So clean, so serene. So, antok na po ako. Kung kailan pagising na yung mga kasama ko, ako naman inaantok na. So, yan. IG lang. Wala dito guys signal. Pero, may piso wifi sila. So, yan. Bye-bye. I'm antok na. I see two faces of Jesus. I got a visitor. Bye-bye! Para din na Yes, ako po ay muuna ng kumain. Take out na kanin because every bottle counts. Oh. Uy, grabe pati ang pagwag ng tail. O, yan dress mo. Baliktad na. Uy. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay, we're going to the other beaches nearby po. Okay. Here po sa Mamangal Beach Resort.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but I love the way you take control. You lift me up when I get low. I gave you the right of way. Now I'm seeing sideways. But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again.